Hey guys, what's up? This is Ralph from RMD Garage, and I want to be the first to welcome you guys over to our YouTube channel. So why did we do this channel? Well, many reasons, but one of them was to make sure that we stay connected with you, the fans. So as we start to build multiple cars, our biggest thing is like, how did you guys do that and what happened here? Well, we want to bring you a channel that's going to give you that, where you can see how to do's and obviously take you through a journey on how all the vehicles are built. So those of you sitting around at home and you got that car in the garage and you want to get it going, we hope to be able to give you some instructional tools to be able to do that. The other thing that's very important is this is a platform for us to be able to communicate with you, as well as you being able to communicate with us. Tell us what you're thinking, tell us what you want to see, give us some of your feedback, comments, and don't forget to hit the like button. For our first build, we have a 1955 F-100, and we're going to transform this thing into a modern masterpiece. I'm going to give you a quick little recap. We built a 1957 T-Bird for Brancotti. Now, that was for his wife, and now Tony Brancotti, the brother, wants to build a 1955 F-100 for his father. You got a great story of a son doing something amazing for this father he loves, and he's taking this F-100 and has really commissioned us to make it into this modern masterpiece.
My name is Tony Brancotti, and I've been working in my family's automobile industry. We're Ford dealers. We're second generation. The truck, it's a 1955 Ford F-100. It's an original V8 stick shift truck. At some point it was converted over to an automatic. The truck was running and driving for many years in its stock original form. This truck, it came to us back in the mid-80s at my dad's first car dealership.
Back in 1985, one of my customers brought the car in, so I took it in on trade against the new car, and then I bought it myself. We later decided to dress it up as a parts delivery truck. We just kept it around the dealership and used it when we needed an extra vehicle. I gave it to my son when he was a teenager as a Christmas gift when he turned 18. And he kind of took over and did a little bit of work on it and fixed it up and showed it, around at different local hot rod shows and stuff.
I had great ambitions for it and things that I wanted to do. Through life just getting busy, it kind of got shelved. And I decided that I wanted to give it back to my dad and do something special for him. Really, I just wanted to do something for the man who's really, given me everything. I'm where I am today because of him. He's given me the opportunity to achieve the things that I've achieved in life. I just wanted him to have something that he could take to car shows and be proud of. Just a good, reliable vehicle. By doing this, for him, it was just, it was a token of appreciation. I
was totally blown away. I had no idea that he was doing this.
By coming down here to RMD, we would get the best product. We would get exactly what I was shooting for. My vision for this truck is something classy, something racy, and a truck that's going to be timeless. I would like to do, a frame-off restoration, put it on a modern running gear, modern chassis, drop the truck down on a set of coil springs and make it, ride real tight. Something that my dad could drive on a daily basis if need be, but something that we could take to shows, and with the quality of work I know Ralph does, I think we could build a vehicle that could win some trophies and some awards. And I think that would be, the icing on the cake.
So guys, don't forget to join us next time as I show you guys the design process and how to get this 55 F-100 looking good on paper and on a computer in 3D animation. So stay tuned because all that's coming and it's gonna be really cool. And you'll get a chance to see Eddie Love, of course, and of course you all know and love Victor. And you get a chance to meet some of the new guys that are working really hard in the garage and making sure that all of our builds are second to none. Don't forget to hit subscribe and of course, follow us on all of our social platforms, but right now you get to stay connected with us right here on YouTube. We want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you, YouTubers. Mad love from everybody here. And again, stay tuned because we're going to bring you some of the coolest videos and really get you guys deep inside what it takes to build some of the hottest, coolest cars. Adios. I love you.